The Bosch Dishwasher E61 error code indicates a problem with the door lock system, preventing the machine from functioning correctly. This issue can occur due to a malfunction in the control board, wiring issues, sensor problems, or a loosely locked door. To resolve the issue, start by inspecting the door lock. Unplug the dishwasher, locate the door mechanism near the hinge, and ensure it is securely attached. If it's damaged, replace the door lock. Next, check the control board by unplugging the machine, removing the top panel, and testing its voltage and continuity with a multimeter. Additionally, verify the wiring connections by removing the top and back panels, and use a multimeter to check for any breaks. If breaks are found, replace the wiring or consult a professional technician. By following these steps, you can identify and potentially fix the issue causing the E61 error code on your Bosch dishwasher.